Hi everyone. So this is the kind of an update that I've kind of finished this sketch of tiger which I had started almost 4 months back. Um, so just for reference, this is the picture that I had taken for reference. You can see it's much more bigger, and yeah, and but yeah, some resemblance of a tiger. And the additional aspect of Photoshop is that I can add color, and that too on a different layer. So this is the sketch layer, and so the layer that I've added, so I created another layer. So the layer I can add, let me, oopsie daisy, okay, let me take this out, don't want that to be here. Yeah, so you can actually add new layers like this, and you can delete this layer as well. So like that. So you can actually add layers. So this is specifically a color layer that I've added. So if you want, you can keep it in. If you don't want, you can keep it out. So yeah, so this is kind of a tiger. And so there's actually, I'm promoting here as well. There's a possibility of me printing this out for you guys. Please ping me on my email ID. I'll be very happy to reach out to you and have a poster printed of this, and yeah, of this or that, whatever is like whatever you like. So yeah, thanks again for patient listening, and this has been a journey for me as well. Hopefully I'll produce even more drawings in the time to come, and yeah, looking forward to that as well. Thanks.